In this video, we're going to look at how to solve a quadratic by completing the square. So in this first guy, we've got x squared minus 10x plus 7 equals 0. In order to complete the square, we need to move this 7 over to the other side. That gives me x squared minus 10x plus blank equals negative 7 plus blank. Now our goal when we're completing the square is to make something that's squared. So some people like to do this part first. It might be even easier if we do this. So I need two numbers that when I add them together I get negative 10. So that has to be a negative 5 and a negative 5. And if I square those numbers, negative 5 times negative 5, I get positive 25. So that goes on the blank on both sides. Negative 7 plus 25 is 18. If I rewrite it as x minus 5 squared equals 18, my next step is to take the square root of both sides. I'm going to break down this 18 into 9 and 2, and then 3 and 3. So we get x minus 5 equals plus or minus 3 root 2. Last step is to add 5. So I get x equals, we're going to put that 5 out front, plus or minus 3 root 2. In the next example, we have x squared plus 8x equals negative 20. So we've already moved it so that we only have x squared and x on the left side. We need to add in the blanks. And now we need to figure out what goes in that blank. So if I'm doing x squared plus 8x, that means I need to have x plus 4 squared, because 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 20 plus 16 is negative 4. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So that gives me x plus 4 equals, plus or minus, we've got a negative number, so I need an I, and the square root of 4 is 2, so that's plus or minus 2i. We subtract 4 to get x by itself. We get x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2i.